are back with another video. As you already know by the title, we are here to change this wall and make it into something great. So I'm in my office right now. It looks really boring and really bland in here. So we're about to spice it up because I'm tired of looking at white walls. So we're gonna make this an accent wall and we're gonna be good. So don't forget to subscribe before we start and like this video and share this video so that people can get the same accent wall. Okay? All right, let's get into it. So I know y'all didn't want to watch me do that in slow-mo. So I sped it up for y'all so y'all didn't have to watch all of that. But make sure when you start, before you started, I had to set a vibe. I had to create my vibe and what I was doing it for to make it as therapeutic as possible. Also, make sure you have scissors because I realized that that's not one of them tapes that you can pull with your teeth. That's not one of them. So make sure you have scissors for sure. And make sure you create a safe space. This is supposed to be very therapeutic and very like zen, okay? So starting off, you can already tell like the pieces were kind of coming down. And I was a little frustrated because I'm like, okay, well, if it's not gonna stick, then what am I here for? But I do have a tip for that later on in the video, so make sure you wait around for that. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button as well as that like button so that you know what we're here to do and what we're here to see. And I appreciate you even lasting this long in the video. So thank you. Click on that bell so you can see my shenanigans throughout this process that I'm in. We're going to be doing a lot more of home improvements and videos, so you don't want to miss it for sure. I do have some special treats for y'all, so please stick around and say it. But yes, create a vibe. It was actually very therapeutic, I will tell you that. I also got to like make this abstract look. I think I'm kind of an abstract person, so for me to have to create this abstract thing, it was giving me what it was supposed to give. You heard? So I'm gonna speed this up and just keep watching for the gems and the treats. All right, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all the tea. The tea is how to get it to stick and stay. I realized this later on when I was like doing it, but you don't pull. Do not pull because that's what happened. Like when I first started, I was pulling on it, which made it tight, but it was also like pulling on the tension of this tape. So make sure you pull, and then you can do your measurement there or however you want. I think I'm pulling right here. It was calling my name. Okay, well, where it lands is where it's gonna go. But don't pull, just let it kind of go, because when it has that tension on there, it doesn't want to stay. That's the tip. That's the tip, that's the tea. I'm giving y'all the tea, I'm giving you the jewels because I want y'all stuff to stay. So make sure you like really don't pull on it. Like if you have to, like this piece, you probably can't even see me, but this piece is longer than what I want. I need it longer. So just kind of place it and then just keep going until, just don't make that tension tight on there because it will it will come off. I used, I'm gonna show you how to tape that I used. I used 3 of them. Just let me finish them. Yeah, don't pull. Taylor's tip to you. Taylor's tip. This is so cute, and I absolutely love this because, like, it just seems so fresh to me. Like, it just looks so, like, clean, and it just looked clean to me. I don't know why, but it just looks so clean to me, and I really like it. So, it's mine. It's mine, and I like it, and I like it. I said I was gonna add some more over here anyways, so yeah. So I used, which you don't have to, of course, but I went to Meijer's and I bought 3 of these. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. Let's see, right there. I bought 3 of these, and well, there was duct tape, but it's electrical tape. I got black. I seen that they had different colors. I might come back and put a different color on there, but for now, I really like this. It looks really fresh to me, and it looks really nice. So I'm going to give you guys an update, and we will start putting more stuff on this wall because now I'm really excited to decorate. So make sure you like and subscribe for this video. Share this video. Let me know if you like seeing and watching stuff like this because I have no problem. This is so cute to me. So without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video.